3 powerful platforms for selling your products. When it comes to making money online, selling a digital product is one of the most straightforward methods, as well as one of the most rewarding and the most profitable. This means selling a product with zero overheads, where the entire transaction can be automated by a tool such as WooCommerce. What's not to like? But why not take things a step further? By adding your products to JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank, you can potentially skyrocket your sales. In this presentation, we'll look at how this works. So first, what are these sites? While JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank are all separate entities, they have one thing in common. They are affiliate platforms. What this means is that they list products that can be sold for commission. If you were an affiliate marketer, then you might visit these sites in order to find ebooks, courses, and other products that you could sell for commission. You can make a lot of money this way. But have you ever thought about being on the other side of the equation? What if you were the person with the product? Firstly, you can use all 3 of these sites to sell directly. This is a captive audience of people who are highly interested in internet marketing. So if you have a product that caters to that audience, then you can potentially make some big sales here. But that's not all. These sites are also useful if you want to get help selling. If you list your product and open it up to affiliate marketers, then you'll be able to enlist a legion of professional marketers to help you sell your book. So, for instance, if you are already selling your ebook from your website for $25 per download, you can continue doing this. You have lost nothing. But now let's say that you offer to give away 50% of your earnings for every sale. That way, you're still earning $12.50 per sale. If an affiliate marketer with a mailing list of 100,000 highly targeted people should jump on board, then that could potentially mean hundreds of sales overnight, without you lifting a finger. Sure, you're giving away some profit, but you just made hundreds or thousands of dollars you wouldn't have made otherwise. But now imagine what happens when you have 200 marketers all doing the same thing. 5 essential skills you should develop as an internet marketer. A lot of your success as an internet marketer will come down to your own specific skill set. Do you have the necessary know-how and skills to stand out from the crowd and to take your business to the next level? The problem is that a lot of internet marketers are happy to rest on their laurels. They know how to write blog posts and they can use social media. That's enough, right? Wrong. If you want a competitive edge, then the more skills you learn, the more successful you will be. In this presentation, we'll be going over some extremely effective skills that will help you progress. Copywriting. Writing is one thing. Knowing how to write correctly is another. You should know how to follow AP guidelines for your articles and posts, and you should understand how to write persuasive sales copy for those sales pages. Vector art. This is an example of a skill that can help you get ahead of the pack. Vector art allows you to create logos, icons, and other images that can be scaled to any size with no loss of quality or resolution. This is crucial, as it is what is used as the industry standard. If you want to design your own elements and you want them to look professional, you need to learn tools like Adobe Illustrator. While you're at it, you can also gain a lot from learning to create 3D models in a piece of software such as Blender. And you can gain more again from using something like Photoshop. This way, you can create amazing images to go with your posts and to adorn your site. Videography, video editing. Adding a video marketing component to your business will help you progress incredibly quickly and incredibly well. Videography and video editing will allow you to create high-quality videos so that you can vlog on YouTube, or so that you can create videos that will help you to market your products. Development. Becoming a developer is another extremely worthwhile endeavor. As a developer, you will have the necessary skills to be able to create your own website and to add interactive functionality and to even build apps that further promote your efforts. SEO. Of course, understanding and being able to execute an SEO campaign is another extremely beneficial skill that will help your content get seen by more people. Don't just learn the basics, master this subject, and you'll be unstoppable. 5 secrets of successful affiliate marketers. Being successful as an affiliate marketer can lead you to making a huge amount of money from the comfort of your home. It means that you'll be selling products that other people created, which in turn means there is no time investment for you to spend developing a product and there is no risk. But if affiliate marketing were that easy, everyone would be doing it. Affiliate marketing can in fact be easy or hard, depending on how you approach it. So here are the secrets of those most successful affiliate marketers. You know the ones that stand in front of their private jets and sell you their ebooks for thousands of dollars. 1. Pick the right products. The first and most important tip is to ensure that you pick the right products. A good product is one that is well made and offers good value, but also one that has a great value proposition. That is to say, that it speaks to an emotional hook of some sort. How does this product make people's lives genuinely better? Will this product get people excited? Does it trigger an emotional response? 2. Build your own audience. Building your audience is the other crucial step. Your job is to connect the right audience with the right products, and so your success will hinge on your ability to get people to listen to you. 3. Use a diverse range of products. There is no requirement to focus on just a single product. Look for a variety of products, and you will build a business that is more resilient and that can cater to all kinds of customers. 4. Use powerful tools. As you gain more profit that you can invest back into your business, you should consider using more advanced marketing tools. An example of this is Trackonomics. This is a tool that will let you search for products from a massive variety of sellers and to compare the best deals for affiliates. 5. Work hard. Finally, work hard. Don't believe the claim that internet marketing and affiliate marketing are ways to get rich easily. You need to put the time in by building your audience and creating trust and engagement. Only then will you be able to make massive sales and help those product creators to reach the kind of success they can only dream of. 5 ways you can make money online. Looking to make money from a website? Want to earn cash from the comfort of your home as an internet marketer? In this presentation, we're going to go over 5 powerful ways that you can start generating cash from the comfort of your home. 1. Sell an ebook. If you have a website that has an audience, or even if you have just a big following on Instagram, you should consider selling an ebook. Selling an ebook means you can generate profit without any overheads, barely any administration, and no storage or fulfillment. People pay for your ebook, then they download it. It's that simple. If you're in the US, then you won't even be charged for VAT. 2. Create an e-commerce store. While ebooks are fantastic for generating cash quickly and easily, they do require an established audience. That's because not everyone reads ebooks. People won't read ebooks if they aren't tech-savvy, for instance, or if they don't like reading. That's why physical products still sell more than digital products. It takes a little time investing in physical products, but sites like Alibaba make it easier than ever. 3. Provide services. If you are an internet marketer who makes money from a website, then that means that you can also help other people to make money from their websites. And if you target massive brands, then you can earn a huge amount of money by doing this. You just need the confidence, and you need to turn those marketing skills in on yourself. Now you are the product. 4. Sell affiliate products. Selling affiliate products is an alternative to selling an ebook or similar. This essentially means that you will be selling products you did not make in order to make commission. The great thing about this method is that it will allow you to scale your business endlessly, and there is absolutely zero barrier to entry. 5. SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. This is a more ambitious method for making money online, but it's also one that has the highest chance of helping you to become a hugely successful startup working out of Silicon Valley. The aim here is to create some kind of web app that allows a useful service for individuals or businesses. All you need is a good idea. You can even hire someone else to do the programming. 5 amazingly powerful tools for internet marketers. There are plenty of reports out there discussing the best tools for internet marketers. The problem with those? They tend to focus on free tools that only offer a little bit of functionality. That's not what this presentation is about. This time we're talking about 5 tools used by the biggest online brands in the world. 5 tools that will take your business to the next level. Disclaimer, these tools are not cheap, but that's the point. If you want to be successful, then you need to invest in this career path by picking the serious tools that get serious results. KeywordTool.io. KeywordTool.io is one of many keyword research tools. It offers perhaps the best balance of performance and price and will help you to do much better keyword research. The result is that you'll find terms that you can actually stand a chance of ranking for, thereby helping you to bring in even more cash. Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is a suite of apps from Adobe. These include the likes of Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop. Simply put, unless you are a Mac user, there is no excuse for not paying for this bundle. Why? Because internet marketing is a must, and this is the best way to create video. Because AI files are the industry standard for logos and other design elements. Because Photoshop can take your imagery to the next level. The list goes on, but you get the point. Trackonomics. Trackonomics is a tool that lets you find and compare affiliate programs to monetize your website. Why settle for selling a cheap ebook when you could sell an MBA course? Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a service that gives you access to a huge number of stock images, videos, website templates, sound effects, fonts, and more. It will immediately improve the quality and professional impact of your website, so don't settle for anything less. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an online shop that is a plugin for WordPress. It also offers one of the best ways to monetize your website. That's because selling a digital product from your website is far preferable to placing ads on the site or selling an affiliate product. And with WooCommerce, you'll be able to build effective online stores using plugins that provide a huge range of additional features. Want to promote your products in your site sidebar? Easy!